So organization and people change along the time. And we were in a hospitalo-centric system, and now we are going to a patient-centric system, which is the right care at the right moment in the right seat. In health, we are 4 words. First of all, the patients. Second, care providers. Third, hospital direction. And fourth, state. Breast cancer patient pathway is one organization around the patient and a lot of human and technological system around the patient. First of all, we are many specialists, radiologists, surgeons, pathologists, geneticians, supportive care, nurse, medical assistant, and we are together indispensable. It's necessary. Everyone is important. For the surgery, in most of the cases, there are 3 or 4 treatments. The surgery, the period is around 6 weeks when we start at the first consultation. For the chemotherapy or targeted therapy, it's more than 4 months. Radiotherapy is around 4 or 6 weeks. Endocrine therapy is 5 years or more. And in most of the patients, duration of treatment is around 4 to 6 to 9 months. Ambulatory surgery is the gold standard nowadays, meaning political decisions, change in patients and care providers' culture, but also general public background. Also change in care organization, new information system, internet is all around us. Also in the side of the patient and in the side of the care providers. And we have to assessment our practice if we want to work better. So just some repetition, breast cancer, the point of view of France, more than 50,000 new cases a year, median age 63 years, overall survival at 5 years 86%, at 10 years 76%. What about surgical data? 70% of early breast cancer, less than 2 centimeters, when there is a screening. 70% of sentinel lymph node biopsy, more than 75% of breast conservative surgery. Nowadays, in France, 50% of surgery are ambulatory. The health ministry fixed an objective at 2022, around 70%. I don't think that we reach this objective, but it's fixed by the health ministry. In Hôpital Saint-Joseph, for breast conservative surgery, we are around 90% in ambulatory surgery. And for the global surgery, it's a general hospital. So we practice all surgery, cancer and not cancer, is around 46% of total surgery in ambulatory. So what is the surgical treatment in breast cancer all around France? It is a national questionnaire concerning treatment in the 2014-2015 year. It concerns 1,000 establishments concerning 3,000 patients. And nowadays we can say that axillary dissection all around this hospital is 25%, and 25. And conservative breast surgery is around 78%. Among them, 50% were done in ambulatory surgery in 2007. And the total mastectomy is 22%. And among them, 3% in ambulatory. And sentinel lymph node biopsy concern nowadays 73%. It's a report of the National Insurance, CNAM. Concerning ambulatory surgery, it's the report of AFCA, which is the Association of the French Ambulatory Surgery. And it's 2 years, 2016 and 2007. It was 15%, and it's more than 3% in 1 year. And for radical mastectomy, it's very low. So we know that breast conservative surgery in ambulatory is feasible and accuracy. And it was a study done in 2030 in Institut Curie. And we consider around 400 breast cancer that less than 5% have a complication, meaning hematoma or readmission. And so it's a standardized surgery. So one-day surgery pathway in the Groupe Hospitalier Paris Saint-Joseph. We opened the center in December 2017. Since the opening, we practice 686 breast surgery. We are 4 breast surgeons to do that. 528 for breast cancer, 158 for benign lesion. Weight of day surgery in breast surgery, including radical and plastic surgery, was 64%. Just a view of hospital. It's even important to look at the architecture of the hospital. The particularity of Saint Joseph is that there is a health center and it is the hospital. So this structure closed at 7 in the evening, and this structure is open 24 hours to 24 hours. And in the health center, there is a Centre du Sein, breast center, and we work together with the radiologist. And there is a mammograph and 2 sonography, and there is interventional radiology. And so when we do the consultation in it, and the oncologist joined us 6 months before for consultation after cancer and before. And so the patient is seen the first time in the health center, and after they see the anesthetist in the hospital, and it is the care unit, the ambulatory care unit here. At the hospital is the enter, the ambulatory care unit, and the operating room is in the same place. And if there is an hospitalization, it's just 100 meters after. So, a specificity of this center is the proximity of the inhabitants. And we are in Paris, in south of Paris, and our patients come from the quartier, and also long distance, but it's a closed hospital. And the slogan of our director is little dimension and big expertise. So, and to do that, we have to be closely with the direction, with the medical staff, and also the paramedical staff. And there is also a multidisciplinary staff, which is sitting in the hospital on Friday. So just that. And so to do finalement changing an organization need to change also to change also some technology, because when you do have to do preoperative localization, if it's in the same time, it's easier for the patient and for the doctor. And so I would like to talk about two technological innovations. First, magnetic trace. Second, hypnotumescence. First, so breast conservative surgery with sentinel lymph node, 70% of the breast surgery. And for the tracer, there is blue was the first. We don't use anymore because of allergy. After there is isotope. Nowadays there is also iron tracer with super paramagnetic peroxide of iron. And also in some center they use indocyanine. The two last allow us to do in the operating room, independent with the nuclear medical staff. And to locate our lesion when it's not palpable, there is the Y seed, but nowadays, since 1 year, we use MAG seed. We can put it 1 month before the surgery. So we don't have to wake up the radiologist at 7:30 because they can put when he want. So it's good for both surgeon and radiologist. And so Sienna, I don't take time of that. We inject the iron like the isotope, but we put it in the operating room and we search the sentinel lymph node 20 minutes after the injection. Voilà. So MagTrace, so it's a medical device, very, very expensive, 450 euros, so too expensive. You know, this little, done by Sysmex, so it's very expensive. So we have to put the price in the law. But one of the facility for the radiologists, they just put it under sonography or mammography, and they push the system in the middle of the lesion. There is a film, a pedagogic film, which we did in February. And so it's Dr. Marie-Rose Elbejani here who put the system and push in the middle of the lesion, taking 5 minutes, perhaps. And after we located in the mammography, and in the operating room, there is a dispositif, Sentimag, the same for sentinel lymph node by iron, and it emits a signal, a magnetic signal, and it's like something to research, like avalanche detection, you know, the system, les ARVA. Bon. We just have, it's very easy for a surgeon. We put, and step by step, we reach the maximum signal. And after, we do the piece of the mammography of the piece or not, because the signal there is or there is not. And here, in this case, it was closer to the upper margin, so I do an upper resection. And the interest that we have in real time, the margin, the magnetic margin, not the histologic. So hypnotumescence, it's other thing. I just go quickly. There is a solution, a local solution, physiologic seroma with adrenaline, bicarbonate, and xylocaine. And I work with anesthetist or nurse anesthetist. They induce hypnosis by conversation. Veronique could talk about that better than me. And we put the local anesthesia in the breast. In this case, it is a mastectomy. And it's more easier for mastectomy because we just have to put out the organ. So we put our needle in the dissection plan. And we can put around 250 millimeter of solution to 500. And after we do the dissection with mechanical bistouri, and we remove the mammary gland. And after the patient can do with us the compressive pansement, j'ai un trou, pansement or Willing, j'ai plus le nom de pansement. So, optimal breast cancer, including day surgery. The surgery is there, but nothing changed in surgery, in ambulatory surgery. All the change are before and after. For that, before, we have to give adapted information to the patient and the family. And also, the patient meet surgeon, anesthetist, also nurse. It's compulsory in France since the cancer plan. When there is an axillary dissection or mastectomy, we propose physiotherapists to better rehabilitation after surgery. And psychologist is proposed, not imposed. And directly, before treatment, we have to coordinate with the CT and with the doctor, general practitioner, or gynecologist, or nurse in the CT. And after the day of the surgery, it's the same thing. We do the same thing. And after, most of the time, there isn't any care until the post-operative surgery. And the objective after that is that the rehabilitation of the patient. And for that, to optimize the pathway, is to do a dedicated information to patient and family. So we decided to create a booklet with patients and helped by a scientific illustration. And so in this booklet, we give some information. We put dessin, schema for the patient, and also what is new. We put also complications. For us, surgeon, it's nothing to have a lymphocella, but for the patient, it's the first time that she will have a lymphocell. So we just do a little scheme, and we talk with the patient and say, so after surgery, there is a little water push, and don't be afraid, it's common. But if we don't say before, it's catastrophic after, and it generates a lot of telephonic and time-consuming. So when we put it, nurse and us are less disturbed. And also, after the surgery, we ask the patient to bring un soutien-gorge, and thanks to this scheme, all the patients come in the operating room with that. And voilà. And we also talk about lymphedema, direct in the preoperative case, in the preoperative period, and to dedermatitis. And if there is something not, you can consult. Voilà, so the ambulatory surgery is, I don't know in Greece what is the rate of ambulatory surgery, or if it's a rate of the Ministry of Health, but all around the world, it's a marker of good quality of care. And there is the national association, but there is also an international association of ambulatory surgery. And I will finish by this diapo to thank all the team of Saint-Joseph, because there is the surgical team, the radiologists Sophie Béranger, Marie-Roselle Béjani, Anne-Marie Tardivel, Bruno Boyer, Marc Zins, who perhaps everybody know here, plastic surgery, Philippe Levent, the oncologic team with Eric Raymond, and also the pathologist, and also the nurse, the medical assistant, the physiotherapist, the direction, and also what's important is student. Because without student, our health will be going down. Many thanks.